Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn how to clean extra spaces between a cell. So sometimes we receive a data which is not arranged perfectly. So it might have some extra spaces between it. So let's see how to remove it. For that we have a formula called clean. So again equals to clean, then bracket open, then we will type trim. So you can see here it says removes all spaces from a text string except for single spaces between words. Then again bracket open, then select the cell, bracket close twice because first we have to close the bracket for the cell B3, then we have to close the bracket for trim, then press enter. So you can see it has removed all the extra spaces, but it has not removed the space in between the words. So we will go to the bottom right corner, drag it to the end, and see all the data has been sorted now. Extra space has been removed from each cell, but currently it is showing a formula when you double click it. So for that, copy the column, then right click on it and go to paste values, and it will only paste the values. So the formula will be removed from this column. So it will now be converted to a normal text. I hope you liked today's tutorial, so please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.